The symptoms are we need coils and spark plugs because it's running rough. It's misfiring. And this is what you're going to use. This is what you're going to use right here. You need this ratchet, extension, your spark plug extractor right here, and a flathead screwdriver. And just in case you have some zip ties on, some cutters right there. Then when we take them out, you're going to put this lube back on the coils to slide them in. These are the spark plugs right here. Autolite. Good brand, I like them. Make sure the gap is fitting and everything. Now here we go. Getting everything ready right here. 10 millimeter, there we go. And we're gonna take off right here, flathead screw. There we go. We loosened it, popped it off now. It's a little screw like that. There, just wiggle it out. I'll take this little clamp off right here. There we go, need be. Let's put that to the side. This on the side right here. As you see, wire harness is right here. Just pull it back. And there we go right there. Before we do all that, we're going to disconnect them right here. Stick that in there, pull back. Just pull it back, get it loose. Because as you see, this is like a little protector. It won't let the one. That's two. Protects that from going down. Pull out. That. Pull out right there again. And you pop out. There you go. Now, right here, 10 millimeter, goes on right there to the coil. Pop it. That's the bolt. Wiggle it up. Here we go. This is your coil right here. Not glad. Now get your socket, spark plug socket. Special kind. You go down deep in there. Oh. Okay, look right there. You see that? Here we go. Looks burnt at the top. Go down. Get it snug in there. You see, I have to get an extension for the extension. Go. Don't want to gorilla tighten it, just snug it. There we go. Now the coil. Put a little lubricant at the bottom. There it is, looks good. Put a little lubricant at the bottom of this coil, like right here. Always a little dad so it goes right in, right? Grab it, slide right in, pop, and voila. There it is right there. Now, turn around, just put the bolt in, hand tighten it first, like that. There it is. Don't need to really tighten because these will break. They're only 10mm screws, and you don't want to snap off. There's the first one right here. See? Nice, snug, tight in. There it is right there. Now, all you do, pop that back in. Little plastic piece, put right here. Clip, see it's clipped in there, ain't nothing coming out. Now the next one, they're all the same routine, very easy, very simple. This one's a lot dirtier right here. It looks like there's a lot of rust right there. We're gonna take care of that. Gotta be careful when you see one like this all rusted out. You don't want to break it. There you go, easy. Easy when you bring it out. Just like that. Clean off that top right there. Now, pull this out. See right in there, pop it in, and now it's coming out. When I put these in, they make sure they don't want to come out. There we go. Oh yeah, that was burnt at the top. That one's no good. Snap it back in, right there. All the way to the bottom. Just get it in there, fit. Hand tighten it with the extension like this. Make sure it feels good.
Take it easy when you're tightening it. There we go. Put a little bit of lubricant right here. There, new bolt.
Tighten down.
There we go, right on top. Don't need to use ratchets. Slide it in like this. Snug it in. Now, connector, easy. There you go, right there. It's good. This is an easy way of putting in your spark plugs and your coils. Very simple, very easy. There, pop. Check them. That's good. That's two right there. Very simple, very easy. Dirty under here has got to be cleaned. Now, on to number 3 right here. There it is. That's all it is right there. The jobs are simple. It's just about how you do it, what you touch. You don't want to cut into this wire harness right here because these spark plugs will be least of the problems. There you go. Check it out. Another ruster one. Be careful you don't let nothing fall in there. And here you go. Right down there. See that? Whoa. Let's say don't really tighten them. That one. Okay. So here we go. All the way down. Just swinging it in there. After you do the first one, you see it's pretty easy. See, you don't have to real tight. See, I did it pushed hand tight. Now I'm just like, that's it. That's all it is. Now screw inside. Make sure everything's here. Got room to work with. Hand tighten it like I say first. I always say hand tighten it first because you don't know how much pressure you're putting on there. There you go, right there. Pump. Yeah, those are those three, and now we're gonna do the ones in the back. We come back here. Let's see. My channel down to the left and tell me what you think. I'll be waiting for your opinions and what your questions are. Peace and have a nice day.